Scott Span, and CEO and People Strategist at Tolero Solutions. A lot of the other frameworks that I use in my practice are a bit more complex in nature, and they're also not designed to get at results as fast as a team accountability system. So I thought that was extremely useful.
Okay.
The main thing I think that the B state approach addresses that others don't is the focus on team habits. A lot of similar approaches and methodologies, they do cover the accountability component, but none of them drill down to the team habits level, which is the collective execution component of things, and one of the things that will really drive the behavioral change that will get to results. Well, I see benefit from the team accountability system across the board for my clients. Actually, I do a lot of work around talent management. So there are areas of the team accountability system that I think are useful to dealing with turnover and to dealing with hiring and recruitment to make sure there is alignment. There's the culture piece as well in regards to creating cultures of accountability. I think it will be very useful there. And there's also components of it that can be applied from a coaching arena as well. And there is the personal piece, and one of the differentiations about this particular model too is the applicability not just professionally, but personally as well. Well, one of the main things I liked about the certification session, separate from the model and the applicability, was the group of people. So I think the individuals that went through this round of certification brought an immense amount of experience and a lot of it that I did not have. So there was a lot of peer-to-peer learning, which I find to be very important. In addition to that, too, there was the facilitation style and approach. This particular program, due to circumstances, was delivered virtually. And I think even in that particular environment, not only did it do a good job from a facilitation and timing perspective of holding my interest, but in addition to that, also allowed for a decent amount of interaction as well. I mean, this particular methodology, this particular framework has such broad applicability outside of just team accountability piece of things that I see it applicable immediately within my practice.